Hi, so
I'm Dr. Willie.
Again,
what we
and
want
today
to do, I'd like
is
to talk to you
delay
about
the
getting
movement of the
parallel
lower
roots
right
in
three
lower
more
incisor
to
extraction
separate the
cases
teeth.
with aligners.
Finally, the gable bend.
In the beginning of my career,
Yes, we did
did
have
happen.
gable bends.
So
So
if you
I
look
had
at
a
the
lot
very
of
beginning, we
non-tracking,
moved the
poor-fitting
roots of
aligners,
the teeth,
and when I looked
the
at the
cingulums
teeth, they
can
were
be
tipped
seen
and
moving
moved
as
in
if
a way
we're
that
putting
was
more
not
pressure
parallel and not
to
the
move
way I
the
knew
roots deep in the
orthodontics should
bone.
be.
But at
At the
same
same time,
the teeth
now
do not have
regularly
enough
I can get
great
exposed
fitting
aligner
aligners
contact.
along with
So
the
if we
great
were to do
parallel
this
roots.
gable bend later,
Let me show you how I
and
do
delay
this.
it when we have the most
Well, let's first
exposed
learn from our
contact
mistakes. A
of
mistake
these
is an
teeth,
opportunity
we would
to
have
learn
more
how
success
not
with
to
the
do it.
gable bend.
In the beginning,
And just
I
like
was
our
doing
braces
very
and
many
wires,
things,
we
just
should
like I
also
did in
leave
braces.
the gable bend in
I would bring
all
the
the way
teeth
till
together
the end of the simulation
with attachments
Let's
in
look
the
at
middle
some
of the
examples
teeth because of
like braces,
how
they
to do
belong
it
in the middle of
and
the
what
teeth.
does work. I put large pontics
So here
in.
you'll see that in the
I
first
would
proposal,
move the lower
we have
cuspid
a large
immediately
pontic
behind the
We
lateral
don't
incisor
have
because
any
as soon as I see
attachment
space
on the
there,
lower
that
right
cuspid
too,
should be able
which
to
is
rotate
going
and
to
correct.
translate.
I
But
would
if
leave
there's
the
no
pontic
attachment
there
it's probably going
all
to
the
tip.
time because I
We
wanted
do
the
have a
patient to
gable
have good
bend, but the
aesthetics.
gable bend is
And
disappeared
although I
at the
did
end.
place gable
You'll
bends
notice
in at
that
the
in the
beginning
modified
to move the roots,
simulation,
I then
we
showed
are doing
the teeth
a
at the
few
end
things.
of treatment parallel.
One is we're separating
Obviously,
the lower
that was not
right
working.
one,
And I
from
might
the
have
lower
concluded
right
it
that
too.
time.
Like
We're also
many of my
separating the lower
fellow professionals
left
is that we tried
two
that
from the lower
and
left
it
three.
doesn't work.
We're making a
But
very
that is
small
not
pontic
true.
and we're disappearing it early.
So let's look
so
at
that when
each of the
gable
challenges
bends are being
of
placed into
this
these
teeth. Aligners are contacting the interproximal of the teeth as well as the attachments very well to control the tipping. And you'll notice that at the end of treatment, even the lower right too that now has a vertical rectangle has a gable bend placed in it. So all the angles of these lower incisors, including the lower right three, are angled in such a way so as to enhance the mesial root tipping of these teeth, since these teeth do translate a lot and we need to control that translation. This is the result of that modified simulation. So you can see parallel roots at the end, and you can see how the roots are very nicely embedded in bone and parallel